guys, so today is the third day of my little trip to the convention, and today I'm planning not to go back because yesterday was a lot. I stayed there the whole day until it closed, so I think I got enough information and I got enough of the stuff. So I'm just gonna give today to my husband and Cloud, because look at Cloud. Cloud's so cute, huh, Cloud? Oh, look at him. He's singing. I'm going to be taking. Yeah, he's saying his ABC. Yeah, anyways, I'm taking him to the zoo today, so we're just heading to the zoo, and so, you know, Cloud can enjoy his time here too, and I'll just feel a little bit of him over there, and then that's it, you guys. Probably not gonna do anything much today because tomorrow we're going back, and then once I get back home, we will look through all this stuff. You guys, look at it. Look at all the item I got. There's a lot of stuff, and I will show you all the cool things that I find. And yeah, so you guys will see that tomorrow when I get back home. So you guys, I'll see you guys later. I'll just vlog a little bit for you guys of my day today with Cloud. Hey, Cloud. Look at Cloud. Cloud, you have fun? Cloud got his new hat, and that's his little shirt that Liz made her. Hey, put on your hat. Put on your little panda hat. Hey, Cloud. So Cloud is riding his little stroller. Cloud, come here. He's gonna have fun today. Look at Cloud. Look at all the freaking flamingo. Cloud's watching. Flamingo. Cloud, you like flamingo? Look how pink they are. Go, go, go. Go over there. You wanna go see it? Okay. Oh, Cloud is coming toward you. Oh, he's eating. He's eating. Oh, look at peacock, you guys. They're so pretty, so majestic, and the color of peacock is so pretty. And look at Cloud, how scared he is. How scared he is. You guys, so after the zoo, Cloud's already napping. So I told my husband to take me to IKEA. Look at this area. Such a neat little setup for sewing. It's like a sewing room with a day bed. So I'll show you guys. Here's a setup. It's so neat. All this cute little storage. I mean, every IKEA has like their showroom is a little bit different. I don't think I've seen. They use, I think this is like it's wood and they painted this color. I think they have a lot of these units that you guys can get it separately and put your own storage there. I really like this. I have this thing at home already. I was thinking of probably putting my Etsy order like this and hang it. I have this one wall behind my door. Maybe I have my husband put it up like that. So I really like that. We'll see how I'm gonna set it up. So you guys, oh my gosh, I love this. A bench from IKEA. It looks super nice. And this wall looks super nice. I might need something like this. iPad to draw. We'll see. But this is a neat idea. And then they have a cart. Look at that. Look at this cart. There's like a pottery, kind of like craft room. So you guys see this room going to have 570 square feet. I'm just filming a little bit. If I see anything that's cool that we can use for, you know, craft room storage. I think this little corner shelf. Oh yeah, this is, oh, I might get this one. You guys, if you guys have a corner, like a corner desk, and you guys don't have a shelf, this could be a nice shelf for the corner. And it's 40 bucks. And that's the name of it. This could be a desktop, a corner desk, and you can put up like whatever you need to put right there. So yeah. And then these are the shelves that I was talking about. You can buy one at a time and attach them to form like a whole unit like this. You see, it's a whole unit when you buy it and then put it together. It's neat. You guys, I can't brought this table back. This is a good size cutting table. Maybe you guys got the money. You guys want to build. This is a good size. They have this one, and I have plenty of storage here. I mean, it'll go really well with the aesthetic of like boho chic, if that's what you would go for, with the earth tone, a natural color decor in your craft room. Oh my gosh, I love these setups, you guys. These natural kind of style looking earth tone is like trendy, especially with IKEA furniture. They're like minimalist style with the earth tone pastel kind of color decor. And I also like this neat little table if you guys are short of space or you want to set aside like another table to do like, you know, your tablet or drawing. Nice neat little table for that. And then I also like the setup. It's pretty neat. So this thing can go up and down. I feel like, I mean, the motor would be nice, but if the motor dies, it cannot go up and down. But I think I probably like it manual like this. So this is a manual, lifting up and down. This big old storage. So I like this simple office style. And then it's like a memo board over here. Hey you guys, this is a neat little cart. It's like an all-in-one cart. I love that they have like, they show that they have a to-do list here. Like it's kind of like an all-in-one cart. Pretty neat. Oh, this is such a neat gaming room. Man, but I like to do something like that with the LED. It's not gonna be blue though. It'll be more clear or rainbow. But this is a neat setup. Hey friends, so today's finally the day I'm going back home. Vacation's over. It was such a fun time. But I get to meet Angela and the girls. Yesterday I didn't even get to go to the convention, but it's okay because I spent time with Cloud. So yeah, we're heading home right now. Just getting down to my hotel to check out. So yeah, see you guys at my house, and I'll be doing a live so we can go over all the resources. Okay, well, we're at LA airport. We're at the LAX airport, going home now. Cloud's riding the luggage, right? Well, you having fun, Cloud? Okay, say bye, ladies. Bye, everybody. Please like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time. Bye.